This is baby boy. Look at him. Gorgeous. Big head, thick body, stocky. Yes. He's a part of the resurgence in the advent of Kennel B, the Rush to Gold Dust Bullies. This summer I caught him in the kiddie pool a lot. Baby boy was born on August 16, 2021. Check out this boy. This is baby boy when he was a little baby. He was only about 2 months old. That's his cousin, baby girl. That's where he got his name from, because he kind of looked like her. They both got their looks from their granddad, Guwop 1017. This is Guwop right here. Guwop had Lexi. This is Lexi right here. And Lexi had baby girl. Guwop had Sloby, and Sloby had baby boy. Sloby just started competing. He's on the fast track to becoming the grand champion. This is Ruby, baby boy's mom. Ruby's a doll. Look at her, beautiful, frisky. Ruby has beautiful kids. You'll see some of her other kids later. This is baby boy when he used to ride around with me a lot. This is baby boy on the left. That's Pac on the right. Baby boy on the left with his sister Honey and a couple of Frenchies, Chardonnay and Genevieve. Look at him. The fool ate some rope or something. Dang, baby boy. You are something else. Baby boy loves the ladies. Look at him. Hamming it up as usual. That's baby boy. These are baby boy's kids. His first litter so far. Check out what he produces. Yeah, you can expect some beauties from him. What you think about baby boy? Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.